Hey guys, welcome back. This is us today and extra names and today's topic is really interesting. So let's begin to today's video. Today we're gonna discuss on the the one and only the seven-star hotel which is in the only single in the world, which is Burj Al Arab. And so today we're gonna talk about it, how the how the who made it, or how he made it, or how much efforts they took to make that, and how is the interior of that hotel, and how much how much you should pay for the one room for one day. So today we are gonna discuss about it. So guys, we have a lot of listen about there is only one single hotel, seven-star hotel in the world. We have listened about lot of the five-star hotels, but we doesn't listen about the seven-star hotel. So today we are gonna discuss about it. But when we thought about the Burj Al Arab, where it is, so it is in Dubai, the Golden City. We also have talked about Dubai in our earlier videos, or maybe not earlier, in our older videos we have talked about it. But if you haven't seen about Dubai, so you have to check out it. And after that, as we all of us knows about that, Dubai is the most beautiful city, and it loves the pure gold, and it doesn't mixture some gold into the pure gold like our India. And we also knows about that our India's gold is not pure gold. Even it is pure gold as our India, but it is not pure gold as Dubai. So I'm not talking something different, something bad about India, but I'm just giving some knowledge. So after that, when we thought about the Burj Al Arab, where it is, so we also knows about it. Not a lot of people knows about it. The Burj Al Arab is made in the between of the one sea, and in Dubai there is no single island. So how they made it? In the boat? No. Or on the water? No, as not like that. So they need one island, and from the day first they started to making the man-made island, and it was the first man-made island which was made by the Arten. The Arden is the most popular company which develops buildings, or their architectures, or okay fine. And so they started making the artificial, means also the man-made island. And after that they put lot of rocks into it, such a big rocks. Or after that, when they thought about the storms and also earthquakes, in Dubai it's the storms and earthquakes are common, we always knows about it. And that's why, because they thought about the earthworms and the whole their earthquakes and the storms, and lot of effort, or the lot of disasters. When they thought about it, they started making it with the cement. And when they whole clear it with the cement, they were confirmed that it can't be broke, and it doesn't broke even. But it was up to uh, it was 10 feet up from the whole that sea, from the sea land. And that's why it was dangerous. If the building get if the building gets broke and it fall down, it goes under the water, and all the project all the building or all the dreams will go into the water like that. So after that, when we thought about it, they took a lot of efforts to make it. They will bring some rods, or such a big rods, and they need lakhs of rods to stick into that uh, hole, the sea, the sea soil and lot of things. But after that they get success by after 3 years, and they cool down that whole building, and then they does the interior. And in that interior, the how much things which you seen as a golden color, they are real 24 karat gold. And the workers which works into that hotel, or the who made that hotel, he also told us that the each and every part which you've seen as golden color, it is made up of real gold, or it like be, or and it is also some mixture of gold and lot of things about it. But lot of people can't believe about it, and a lot of people also believe it. But and that's why when we just go into in one room, also you have to pay 17 lakh rupees for the one room, for such a days, or for one day also. So you got one room for a lot of people also, or you can live alone also, and you have to pay whole money like that. And it is such a beautiful place for tourists, and we all of us knows about it. The Dubai is a country of tourists, so it's beautiful and amazing. So if you want to go into Burj Al Arab, you can go, but you need a lot of money. So if you like today's video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.